Dear students, hope you all are well and healthy. Here we are discussing class 7 English for summative exam 2. Some videos already have been uploaded on lesson 7 Mowgli Among the Wolves. You may have watched them. Today I am going to discuss the activities associated with lesson 7 Mowgli Among the Wolves. Okay, so let's start. See, first one is activity 4. Activity 4. Which are the two animals that supported the wolf family to rear up Mowgli? Choose the correct options. Now a question may arise, why activity 4 is here? Where is activity 1 and 2 and 3? Because 1, 2 and 3 are already discussed in the previous video. Okay, so this is activity 4. The answer is B, Balu and Bagheera. There are a couple of options. The correct answer is B, Balu and Bagheera. Activity 5. Complete the following chart with information from the text. Cause and effect. The cause is the tiger jumped into the campfire. The answer is effect. The underlined portions are answers. Okay. The tiger burnt his feet. Then question, effect, moonlight was blocked at the mouth of the cave. The answer is Sher Khan's great square head and shoulders were thrust into the entrance. Cause, Mother Wolf would fight to the death. The answer is the tiger backed out of the cave mouth. Okay, so the underlined portions are the answers. Now come to the activity 6. Complete the following sentences. You have to complete the following sentences taking the sentences from the text. Okay. Father Wolf heard Sher Khan. The answer is muttering and mumbling savagely as he tumbled about in the scrub. The underlined portions are the answers. Here come. Sher Khan was unable to face the challenge of Mother Wolf because she had all the advantage of the ground and she would fight to the death. This portion, underlined portions, she had all the advantage of the ground and she would fight to the death is the answer. C. The voice of the Bagheera was as soft as wild honey dripping from the tree. As soft as wild honey dripping from the tree, this portion is the answer. When the man cub will grow up, the answer is he may make better sport for all. Okay. Now the activity 7. Answer the following questions by referring to the text. The first question. What was the most wonderful thing in the world? The answer is the most wonderful thing in the world was man. B. Describe the brown baby as he came to the wolf's den. Answer. The brown baby stood in front of Father Wolf holding on by a low branch. He looked up into Father Wolf's face and laughed. Okay. C. Why did Sher Khan come to the den of the wolves? Sher Khan came there in search of the man's cub. There means to the den of the wolves. So Sher Khan came there in search of the man's cub. E. Who was Akela? Give description of Akela. Akela was the leader of the wolf's pack. Akela was the great grey lone wolf. He was very strong and cunning too. F. Why do you think Akela wanted the man's cub to be in the wolf family? Akela knew that men and their cubs are very wise. So he thought the man's cub could be a help in time, which is why far-sighted Akela wanted the man cub to be in the wolf family. Okay, this is the answer. Now activity 8. Rearrange the statement, put the numbers in the given brackets. So the rearrange should be completed. But first you have to read out the text carefully and you have to rearrange these sentences according to the text, according to the story. Okay, I have answered only I have written only the numbers, not the full sentences. You can complete the sentences on your notebook. A 6, B 1, C 5, D 2, E 4 and F 3. Okay, so the sentence A number 6, sentence B number 1, sentence C number 5, sentence D number 2, sentence E number 4 and sentence F number 3. Now activity 9. So here you have to supply some words from the text for this group of words. Okay, baby of the wolves, this is a group of words and the supplied word is cow. You have to take out this word from the text. B doorway, that is threshold. C desire to hurt, that is frightened. D speaking in a way that is difficult to hear, it is mumble. Okay, these are the answers. Some example of similes. But first you have to know what is simile. See, in English, adjectives are used not only for qualifying the noun but also to compare one noun or pronoun with the other. These adjectives are called similes. So similes are nothing but the comparisons. It's nothing but the comparison. How it is done? See, as cunning as a jackal. So somebody is being compared here with the jackal, jackal's cunningness. So that person is as cunning as the jackal is. So as cunning as a jackal, this is a simile. In the same way, as bold as the buffalo, as reckless as a wounded elephant. Okay. Now come to activity 10. What we have to do? Make sentences with the following similes. The similes are as white as snow, as red as rose, as brave as lion, as big as elephant, as free as a bird, as easy as ABC. Now see the answers. As white as snow. The sentence, the swan swimming in the lake was as white as snow. So the snow here is being compared with the whiteness of the snow. Okay. As red as rose. Their talking parrot's beak is as red as rose. As brave as a lion. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, the great freedom fighter, was as brave as lion. Now, as big as elephant. The bust of the Bidhan Chandra Rai, the founder of Durgapur, is as big as elephant. As free as a bird. I wish if I could be as free as a bird. As easy as ABC. The hardest psalms too seem to him as easy as ABC. So these are the answers. Now come to activity 11. Underline the present perfect tense in the following sentence. But before it, we have to know what is present perfect tense. Here comes. Present perfect tense. The definition. This tense indicates that the action has just been completed, but the effect of the action is still present. So what is he saying? Suppose some action, it is completed, it is done already, but its effect is still going on. We are still enjoying the effect of that action. So that tense when we use the tense for that particular situations, that will be the present perfect tense. Clear? Example, its parents have run off. Its parents have run off. Okay, have run off. So this portion is the present perfect tense. The action is already done, but the action, the effect of the action is still going on. That's why it is a present perfect tense. What is the structure? Have or has, either one of these two, plus past participle form of the verb. This is the structure of these sentences, this present perfect tense. If you follow this structure, you can easily construct a present perfect tense, okay, using this equation, using this simple equation. Past perfect tense. This tense is used when the action was completed a long time ago, but the effect of the action remained for some time in the past. Almost same. This action is happening at present, and this action had already happened in the past. This is the difference. So some action that had already done in the past and its action was going on for some time, that is called the past perfect tense. Nothing else. Now come. For example, Sher Khan had jumped into campfire. Had jumped, the action was already done, but the effect of the actions went on for some time. So it is called the past perfect tense. The structure had plus past participle form of the verb. This is the simple equation. You can form a past participle sentence by following this equation. Okay. So the today's activities were activity 4, activity 5, activity 6, activity 7, activity 8, 9, 10, activity 11. Now homeworks. Activity 12 and activity 13 and activity 14. These three only for your homeworks. What you have to do? Just write down the answers of these activities and show the answers to the concerned teachers. Okay. Activity 4. Make sentences with the following words using the present perfect tense of the verb. Present perfect tense is already clear to you. Okay. So you can easily write down the answers. The words are finish, hear, lead, take, come, show, sign. In activity 13, make sentences with the past perfect tense of the following verbs. The words are run, begin, call, watch, play, drop, burn. All are verbs actually. Activity 14, choose the correct options of the given verb forms. Very easy. A. The jackal found only a bone to eat, as the wolves, the three options are there, eats, had eaten, have eaten. You have to pick out the correct option from these three. Everything. B. Father wolf, wake, have woken, had woken, up at 7 in the evening. C. Bagheera and Balu had has supported the demand of the wolf family. D. I have finishes, finish my task before the scheduled time. E. Mary Kom win, have won, had won a bronze medal in the London Olympics. Okay. So no more today. Take care and stay healthy.